Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Streek. Today is the day that I am going to share with you three websites that will literally help you to make some money online. If you are in urgent need or something, then let's just jump up onto the sites. The first one is this microworkers.com. So microworkers, as the name itself suggests, that the micro workers means there are some micro works that some workers do, and if you want to hire someone just for the specific micro work, then congratulations, this is the website also for you. So here are the some works that can be done. And where is the workers section? I'm not able to find it, but let me just log in. So right when I click on login button, I'm just logging because I already have an account. So let me just enter my password, and I'm not going to share with you. Okay, fine, this is the screen that you will see after logging in. So here are the jobs, list of jobs. Steam, add game to your wish list. Steam is a website for games, I think, for launching new games. And there you will see new launches of the games from the small creators as well. So when you complete this job, you will going to get $0.11. Let me just open it. After opening it, says that task takes less than 2 minutes to finish. Then so 2 minutes for $0.1, not a bad deal. Let me just explain something more about this. So here is the expectation that the person who is paying you $0.1 wants from this work. So important is that a Steam account is required. So it is okay. Then you will not be able to do this without already having a Steam account. We are gathering wish list of upcoming indie game on Steam. So if you have a Steam account, you just follow the instructions. So here is the link. You can just copy paste it, and there you will see the instruction that you have to do. And another thing is that required a proof of task. So in this website there are some proofs are required for every work, for cross checking that the micro worker has done the job or not. So enter the V code given to you at the end of this proof. It's saying that there is only one proof required, and which is enter the V code given to there might be something of V code that you will get at the end of the work. So sometimes here have some times to complete the task. So time specified by the I think microworkers.com. So once you click I accept the job, you have to complete that in that time frame. So my advice is that you please just try to follow these instructions. If it is done, and if you are able to done it correctly, then only you will click this option and then submit the proof. And after some time, as the person who is giving you some dollars satisfied, then you will get the dollars. So qualifying question: do you have a Steam account? So there might be some questions and instructions, and when I click on yes, and there are still some questions, you have to follow them. That's it for this. And no, wait, let me just show you the task that I have finished and how much I have earned. So I have only done the basic task, I haven't done the group task. So after going to this, I have got $0.35 from this task, and $0.1 from this, and $0 from this. This is the admission test, I think. Okay, this is some preliminary test that you have to do before accepting these works. Okay, so you won't get any dollars for these kind of work. After that you will get. So this work has been not satisfied. So this is the admission test. So this work is pending employer review. So employer, the person who is paying me some dollars for this work, haven't yet reviewed. Same for this, and these two persons have done the review, and I've got $0.45 in my account. So these dollars can be claimed by PayPal account. And don't think more, this website needs PIN verification, address verification of the worker. So you just have to enter the correct address while registering on this. Then after getting the PIN, then you will be getting the payments through PayPal. Okay, that's all for this microworkers.com. And let me just show you another similar website, that is rapidworkers.com. So when you go to rapidworkers.com, it is very much similar to this microworkers.com. Okay, so you can also try that. I'm not going to explain everything here because it is very much similar. Now jumping upon our next website, that is user testing. So user testing is something that big companies or some digital launches uses to identify or to get some bugs before launching the product, final product, and improving the quality of the product and then hit the market. So let me just show you which companies work with this usertesting.com: Walmart, Facebook, eBay, Expedia, and all that. Fastest way to get quality human insights. So all of the work has been done by the human. Okay, so who are those humans? Those humans are just like you and me. So we have to register here as get paid to test from, I think, this link. Okay, so after clicking this link you have to register and you will be able to get the work and get the earnings. Very much simple. So question might arise in your mind that which kind of work I will get. Okay, let me just tell you. Here you will get testing of websites, mobile application, and some other digital product maybe. So most of the cases you will get some testing of something. So here are some more companies that work with this. Adobe also works with usertesting.com. So the third one is utest.com. Here it is written that get paid to shape the digital landscape. This is the number one destination for freelance software testing and feedback. Let me just go to the projects on board. Okay, here is the list of the work. It is showing that urgent projects. Urgent projects means that you are going to get somewhat more amount of money to complete this project in the stipulated time. So this is the title and this is the description of the job, and this is the start date 27th of June. It is already gone as per my location, and this can be done by anyone. So here are some filters. You can choose OS or country, and after clicking on this you will see start date here, location, professional, special requirement that is required to do this work. So I have shown you 3 websites to earn money, and in total I have shown you 4 websites. So now if you think this video is useful to you, then please hit the like button, and if you have some words to express, then please express it in the comment section, and if you are new to this channel, then please hit the subscribe button. Here you will get more of this kind of video to earn money online, or some vlogging guide, blogging guide, and tech kind of videos, technological videos. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon in the next video.